Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix JISULIFE mini fan not working. If you have the same problem with your fan, then you will need to consider these steps. Number 1. Check battery level. Ensure that the batteries are fully charged or replaced with new ones. Some mini fans have a battery indicator light to help you check the level. The second option is to check power source. If your fan uses a USB cable, make sure it's securely plugged into a power source like a computer, power bank or wall charger. Try plugging the cable into a different port or device to rule out any issues with the cable or power source. The third option is to check switch position. Ensure that the power switch on the fan is in the on position. Some fans have multiple speed settings, so try adjusting the switch to different positions to set if it is work. The fourth option is to test motor function. If the fan blades don't spin at all, the motor might be faulty. Try gently pushing the blades to see if they rotate freely. If they do, the motor might be the problem. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.